I'm Kevin Konczal. I'm a business and sales veteran, and also I'm an internationally certified life, business, and health coach. And over my 4 decades in sales, I've sold over $18 million. And the average sale, about $5,100. That's a lot of sales to be made to get to 18 million. Today, I'm going to discuss handling and nurturing sales leads and how I have my team addressing those. Now, the sales lead nurturing process should be designed to be straightforward and guided by a fundamental principle. Treat others as you would want to be treated. Think about it. Do any of us like being hounded and harassed by salespeople when we've only showed a slight interest in something and not even made a commitment? Many potential customers engage with us after they watched a webinar or filled out a form just to gather more information, or maybe even a free trial to our platform. They're in the phase of gathering insight and learning, not necessarily ready to make a purchase. And of course, their priorities shift constantly. They're busy with their daily responsibilities, managing teams and handling urgent tasks instead of thinking about you and what you're trying to sell them. Now, for those who have expressed initial interest, like, hey, I really want to talk to you, it's exciting for us because it could be the beginning of a genuine opportunity to explore a potential partnership. But of course, sometimes interests fade, and that's okay. We respect their changing priorities, and we know that the focus may shift away from us onto more important things at that point in time, because time and points in time are constantly moving. Now, my approach to how to handle these folks and what to do is I have a 3-step process, and I'm going to go over it with you real quick here. First, I have my team send out an introductory email that says, "Thank you for your interest in our company. I'd like to schedule a time to discuss how we can assist you. If possible, please use my calendar link below to arrange a meeting. And if I don't hear from you, I'll give you a call to set something up because I understand that you're busy, and I want to take that task away from you, and I'll put it on me." Then, of course, there comes the crickets. Nothing. So, a couple days later, I have a follow-up with a phone call that says, "Hey, I'm following up with you on my previous email to see if you're still interested or if your priorities have changed. Please let me know how I can assist you further." Just keep it short and sweet. Remember, people don't have time, or you don't have time, or nobody has time to read a long-ass email. So, just go with a short, to-the-point email. Then, of course, there's those crickets again. You hear nothing. So I usually give it 3 or 4, maybe 5 days, just in case they're out or something like that. And then I have my people send a final email, thanking them for considering our services. And say, if your priorities have shifted, I understand. No hard feelings. Feel free to reach out to us whenever you're ready to discuss our services further. But I'm not going to continue to bother you. Thank you. Certainly, some may think persistent follow-ups could coerce a meeting. But just like dating, starting a relationship by pestering someone or stalking them can backfire. Instead, there's power in giving space. If someone feels pursued or pressured, they're less likely to engage positively. In fact, creating a bit of distance can sometimes just be enough to pique their interest. When someone feels they have the autonomy to reach out when they're ready, it can lead to more meaningful conversation. And then, of course, human nature, people want what they can't have. So then think about that. But hey, if they don't reach out, that's fine too, because you know what? There's always a new prospect right around the corner. But then there's actually a number 4. Now, this one can be important after you've heard crickets and nothing for, let's say, 60 or 90 days. What I have them do is send something out like an article or a white paper. Nothing salesy, just something that's information that could help them, and not a like, hey, let's get back together, I miss you kind of crap. All this is meant to do is signal that you're still alive and thinking of them. And maybe they're thinking of you too, sweetheart, and they may reach back out. But it's not guaranteed, and then you just continue to create that process. And one day, just one day, it could be a year down the road, they may go, yeah, you know what? I need that now. And they may get a hold of you. And that may be the start of a nice relationship and a nice sale. And if you've been in sales for any amount of time, but you know buyers can be finicky and flaky. And we can't control other people, but we can control the process if it's done right to improve our chances of getting in front of the buyer with our product and services and hopefully solve a problem they have. In this step that I have given you on sales lead nurturing could just do that. Now, in subsequent videos, I will explore steps in problem identification and solving, relationship building, addressing objections, and other bits of knowledge and wisdom you only get with age and experience. I want to thank you very much for taking the time out of your busy day to listen to my little spiel here. But hey, if I can ever be of any help to you, please just let me know in the comments below and I will get back to you. Thank you and have a great day.